I think there's a storm a brewing. This is the shower. Got you some towels, sink, mirror, your own toilet, not a public restroom, shower, soap dispenser. Your own little private bathroom away from home. Thank you, Laura.
Helping me kind of dedicate this season of life. And so I get emotional and talk about it. Y'all promised me that y'all, yeah, it's one for my mom. Y'all saw the stickers? That's my mom's initiative. My mom will be proud. How we play this season.
They have a family room. You can sit down and watch TV. A movie theater. Tons of showers. A chiropractor. A church. Laundry facilities. A barber shop, which is closed right now. A gym. A dentist office. A full sit-down restaurant. A food court, a coffee spot, a convenience store, a cell phone store, a huge gift shop, a game room, Chrome, more Chrome, and just in case you thought you might need some lights, spikes, no spikes, no spikes. 1, 2, 3 trucks in the building, and this one spins. Watch. And all that was in the main building. We still got a whole nother building. not as impressive, but actually there's 2 more buildings. I had to go back to the truck real quick to change into my shorts because the weather may not look all that great here, and it may look cool, but out here in the Midwest, it is humid. According to my truck, it's only 70 something degrees, 72 degrees I think, but I'm sweating, it's hot. Plus I wanted to get a walk in to show you the rest of the property, so I wasn't gonna walk in my jeans. A second convenience store by the fuel pumps for the trucks. Oh, by the way, and inside this convenience store is a whole nother restaurant called Blimpie's. It's a sandwich place. That's where I got dinner last night. They also have a full service shop, a truck wash, and if you bring your little pet with you, a pet wash. I'm back over there behind the water tower. You can see that roof right there. That used to be a Best Western, and it was open 3 weeks ago when I was out here. I guess it closed. And they have a full-fledged trucker museum, or truck museum. Well, that was a nice walk around the parking lot. Alright, all done with my, turn that down a little bit. All done with my walk around the parking lot. I'm tired. Logbook's up to date. Time to hit the road. Another Atkins protein bar for breakfast this morning. Thank God I've only got 1 left after this. So I just drove the perimeter of the parking lot where I walked, and that was how much my walk was today. It's hard getting those protein bars down, man. It's the Mississippi River. The old miss. The old man. Deep river. My home is over Jordan. Hopefully some of you get that joke. For some lunch. Got me a delicious 6-inch oven roasted chicken sub, mustard only. I mean, there's vegetables on it too, but I didn't get mayo, just mustard. Yum. Truck stop dinner options. Looks delicious. Alright, so calling it a night. It's what time is it? 6:14 in California. So it's 9:14 over here. I'm in Girard, Ohio tonight. And yes, I broke down and got me a cheeseburger from the over at the gas pumps, the gas island here at the truck stop. They got a little deli inside. I got a cheeseburger over there for dinner tonight. And tomorrow we'll go through Pennsylvania, New York, Connecticut, and into Massachusetts. And hopefully get there by about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow night. And I skipped Nebraska and most of Iowa. I mean, you didn't miss much. It looks like this. So yeah, so calling it a night. Gonna have my my dinner, going to bed, and see you tomorrow. Still got that protein bar crap.